How to download Discord on PS4. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can download Discord on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to basically go ahead and then download Discord on PS4, what happens over here is that if you go to your PlayStation Store and then you want to download the Discord application, just keep in mind that the Discord app does not officially have the PlayStation version, because Discord themselves have not made it available for PlayStation users to actually use the Discord application. As you can see, no matter how much I search, we don't have Discord. But doesn't mean you cannot use it, by the way. Just because we don't have the app doesn't mean we cannot use it, because your PlayStation 4 is actually equipped with an internet browser, right? So what you can do is just leverage this internet browser to your advantage. Open up your internet browser, open up a new tab, go to discord.com/login and just log in to your Discord account. And after you've done that, you should be able to successfully go ahead and then basically use Discord on PS4. Even if you cannot download it, you can actually use the web version of your Discord. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.